Hello, in this video I want to show you how to make macro photos with Asus Rog Phone 7. And to do this we'll need to open our camera. Then right here move to the right and you should be able to see more. And there is macro mode right there. Now you will need to lift your phone and follow the instructions. So it says keep camera about 4 to 6 centimeters away from the object you want to take a macro photo of. And also make sure that your object is very good lighted. It has very good light. And when taking a photo and clicking on the shutter, try to be as stable as possible. Now let's check out this photo, and that's how you take a macro photo. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.